back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who have just a little bit of experience with customer service skills, like 6 months to a year. They don't require very much experience at all, but you can listen to phone calls and give your feedback and your expertise on what was done good, what should have done better. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share, if you want to get those applications in or do more research on the company, are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Sagility. Sagility has 194 reviews on Glassdoor. I hope I am saying that correctly. But they have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quality analyst to work at home. It says they are a strategic business process management provider of transformative healthcare solutions that help clients significantly enhance the member and provider experience. So these are probably going to be healthcare calls. They're looking for somebody to join their quality analyst as a remote work from home position. You'll monitor customer service skills of all the customer service representatives to ensure that they are giving the best quality for their call handling, accurate coding in CRS, and appropriate documentation. You'll complete the established monitoring objectives in accordance with the company's SOPs, providing written and oral feedback to the call reps on all calls that you've monitored for them. So you're going to grade them and give them any feedback of things they did good, things they could do better. You're going to complete daily reports and spreadsheets according to standard procedures and complete quality control reports on a daily basis. Of course, you'll attend any departmental meetings as required. Now, as far as what they're requiring, not much. No college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great time management skills, being detail oriented, because you're going to have to listen to those calls and really listen to those details to make sure that everything was followed correctly and nothing was missed. You need to know how to basically use a computer word processing spreadsheet, but above that, as far as the actual experience they're requiring, only 6 months to a year, some kind of customer service call center experience. So very little experience is actually needed. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in the job description. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. Pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoy job leads like this. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.